I'm Don Varga with Wacom, and today I'd like to show you the brand new Wacom One display. This display is being launched just today here at CES. It's on the market now in the United States, and this is Wacom's first display really targeting beginners. So beginning artists, people who are doing a lot of social media work and have a lot of image editing work that they want to do. I mean, it's really great for kids, for students, for everyone who's just getting started with digital art. So it's a 13-inch display. It's got over 4,000 levels of pressure sensitivity that you can see here in this brush. As I vary how hard I press, it changes the width of the line. I can have it vary darkness, I can have it change all kinds of effects just by how hard I press, like a real art tool. But it's everything in one, right? So it's any kind of pen, any kind of chalk, paint, all in one brush because it's running from the software. Another thing that's really interesting about our new Wacom One is that for the first time we've enabled a display to work with Android. So this one that you see here is running off the Galaxy Note 10 using Android-based creative applications. And again, these are your applications. The one you see here is running to a PC. So you can hook these up to PC, Mac, or Android. The way this works is there's a single cable that comes in. That cable then branches out essentially into three. So you have HDMI, USB, standard USB, USB-A, and then you also need AC power. So this is a standalone device. It's running off of your computer, whether that's an Android phone or a Mac or a PC. That's where all the smarts live. In the same way, you're running the software applications on your device. So you can move this between all kinds of different devices and use it through different generations of computers. So another interesting thing that we've done with the new Wacom One is we've enabled some partners to actually create their own devices, their own pens that will work with our display. And so, for example, if you're someone who grew up and prefer pencil sketching, this is an accessory pencil available from Staedtler that works on our Wacom device, on the Wacom One. So this is the pen that comes with it. It's a single button Wacom pen, again with over 4,000 levels of pressure. Or if you prefer something like a pencil feel, that's available as well. And there will be more pens available from other leading brands as time goes by, right? So these will be added. The product itself is extremely lightweight. This is about 2.2 pounds. You can see it's equipped with legs that fold out, so you can use it in a flat format, or you can simply pop the legs out. That gives you about a 19-degree incline, because a lot of artists prefer working in this style. If you're using it with your phone, it's actually fantastic not just for artwork, but it's great for annotation, for anything you want a larger screen with a pen. So whether you're annotating a document or you're doing brainstorming work and sketching out ideas, this is a great way to do it, right? Gives you that larger screen, larger real estate, and pen control. So the Wacom One, as I said, in the United States is available today at CES. It has been launched. It's available widely in the main retailers such as Amazon.com, Best Buy, B&H Photo. It's $399, which is a great price for a display of this quality and a great place to get started with digital art.